Hi everybody, and welcome to another episode of Scale Modeling with Mike Ashey. Today I want to talk to you about 3D printed parts for 1 to 3/50th scale ship models. Recently I completed a build of my 1 to 3/50th scale battleship Missouri by Tamiya, and I used 3D printed parts for my 20 millimeters, my 40 millimeters, my 5-inch 38s, my Mark 37s, and some of the smaller deck details. And I gotta tell you, I was very impressed. I've tried other 3D printed parts before, and sometimes the material is very brittle and hard to work with. But they've come a long way with 3D printed parts. The ones I used for my Missouri were by Blue Ridge Models and Black Cat Models out of France. And the level of detail on both of these types of 3D printed products in 1 to 3/50th scale is just outstanding. As an example, for the 20 millimeters, if you were to add the small photo etch parts to each 20 millimeter, you would spend hours doing it. And it's very difficult to get all of the shields level. What you get with these 3D printed 20 millimeter parts is everything you need right on the 20 millimeter gun. There is no assembly whatsoever. You get the shield, the collection bag, the shoulder harnesses, and the aiming ring, all in one piece. All you have to do is clip them off, clip them off and just prime them and paint them, and you're ready to go. For these 3D printed products, from Black Cat Models, again, exquisite, absolutely exquisite surface detail. You could never achieve it with scratch building in 1 to 3/50th scale. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a tour of the 3D printed parts that I used on my USS Missouri build, and then we'll do some close-ups of some of these individual parts of the sampling I have here, which is just a small amount of what Black Cat Models produces. And by the way, Black Cat Models does them for British warships, American warships, and now they're starting to produce them for German warships in various scales. Of course, I like 1 to 3/50th scale. So stay tuned and we'll start the tour. Here's my Tamiya Missouri. The 36-inch Searchlights, the quad 40 millimeter Bofors, and the Mark 51 gun directors are all Black Cat Model 3D printed accessories. The Mark 37 radar is from Black Cat Models, and the 20 millimeter guns are from Blue Ridge Models, which can be purchased from Freetime Hobbies. The twin 5-inch 38 mounts are from Black Cat Models. At the time I built the Missouri, Black Cat Models didn't have floater baskets ready, but they do now, and I recommend them for both the Tamiya and Verifier Missouri kits. The rope reel and the 24-inch Searchlight are from Black Cat Models. Here are the Blue Ridge Models single 20 millimeter guns. Here are the Blue Ridge Model twin 20 millimeter guns. Here are the Black Cat Models quad 40 millimeter Bofors bases. Note the shell ejection collectors. The bases even have the seats and the aiming and rotating pedals. Here are the 40 millimeter Bofors barrels. Note that the barrel ends are even indented. Here's how I assemble the quad 40 millimeter Bofors. Black Cat Models also makes quad mounts with the gun shield printed right on the base. Here are the twin 5-inch 38 mounts. Note the ladder rung detail. You also get two different sets of barrels for different elevations. It takes about 2 minutes per turret to snip them off their 3D runners. Here are the Black Cat models, Mark 37 radar bases. Note the handrails on the sides and on the top. Here are the Mark 37 radars. The frames even have the rotation motors. The Mark 37s take about 5 minutes to clip off and clean up any residue 3D printed runners. Attaching the frame to the base is easy. Tiny drops of super glue were used to secure the frame to the base. Here are the Mark 51 gun directors. A set comes with each Bofors set, or you can purchase them separately. Here are the Black Cat models, torpedo directors, and two different styles of Polaris's. Here are the Black Cat models, 36-inch Searchlights. Note the fine detail of the grab handles on the frames. It is just absolutely impressive. And here's a comparison between the Tamiya kit 36-inch Searchlights and those from Black Cat models. And here are the 24-inch 3D printed Searchlights from Black Cat models. And here's a comparison between the Tamiya Searchlights and the Black Cat model Searchlights. Here are the rope reels and the cable reels. And here's a comparison between the Tamiya rope reel and the Black Cat model rope reels. Note the holes in the flange sides. Here's the 3D printed Black Cat models 25-man life rafts. And here are their oval life rafts. Here are the Black Cat model 20mm gun boxes. Note the indentations between the box base and the top. Here are the 3D printed lookout chairs, complete with binoculars. Here's the Black Cat model smoke generators, boat winches, and signal flag boxes. And finally, here are the 26-foot whaleboats. Note the side keels and the railings. The Black Cat Models website address is www.blackcatmodels.eu. Free Time Hobbies is www.freetimehobbies.com. Hey everybody, I hope you enjoyed the tour of the Missouri and the close-ups of the 3D printed parts that I have on hand, which is just a small sampling of what's available through Black Cat Models. Again, I highly recommend these 3D printed parts because they will give you a level of detail for your ship modeling that you could never achieve any other way. And they're extremely easy to use. Have a great day and be safe.